Hello, welcome to our channel. Today, we will be discussing how to get past the anger stage of the grieving process. Grieving is a natural response to loss and can be difficult to manage. Anger is one of the stages of grief, and it is common to experience this emotion after losing someone or something important to you. However, it's important to know how to cope with this feeling in a healthy way to move forward in the healing process. 1. Recognize your anger. Anger can manifest differently for everyone, and it's important to recognize when you're experiencing this emotion. Some common signs might be irritability, frustration, or even rage. Acknowledging and validating the emotion will allow you to take the necessary steps toward coping with it. 2. Express your feelings. Once you recognize your anger, it's important to express it in a healthy way. Suppressing your feelings can lead to more intense emotions later on. You can express your anger by talking to a friend or therapist, writing in a journal, or engaging in physical activity like running or boxing. 3. Practice relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga can help manage your anger by reducing stress and calming the mind. These practices can also help you stay more present and focused, reducing the intensity of your emotional response. 4. Seek professional help. If you feel that you are unable to cope with your anger on your own, it's important to seek professional help from a therapist. They can offer you tools and strategies to help you manage your emotions and promote your healing process. Conclusion. Remember that grieving is a natural process, and it's important to take the time you need to heal. Coping with anger can be challenging, but with the right tools and strategies, it's possible to move forward in a healthy way. Thank you for watching, and we hope these tips were helpful to you. If you have any suggestions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.